With its 4-tonne capacity and 220mm lifting range, the Kojack hydraulic caravan jack is ideal for Aussie caravanners. It will lift big heavy vans with ease, and it's fully tested and approved to Australian standards. But any hydraulic jack needs maintenance to keep it in ideal condition. This is easier than you may think. If your Kojack is not lifting properly or it settles back down, the initial solution is to bleed out any excess air. To do this, you will need to turn the relief valve anti-clockwise to lower the piston all the way. This might need a firm push because of the fine tolerance built into a Kojack. Now place the jack horizontally with the little rubber oil filler cap facing forward. Remove the cap, which allows the air inside to escape. Then close the relief valve. Replace the oil cap and that's it. Now pump the Kojack up to full height to check if everything is working. If it still shows signs of air in the system, you can take the bleeding process a stage further. The first step is the same. Open the relief valve and lower the piston all the way. Then remove the oil filler plug with the valve still open. Give it about 10 to 20 quick pumps to move the oil through the system, so any trapped air goes out through the oil filler hole. Check the oil level in the jack and top it up if needed, before replacing the oil plug. It's good practice to change the oil every 12 months. To empty it, remove the oil filler cap and place the jack on its side over a tray or bowl, with the oil filler aperture facing downwards. To refill it, place the jack on its side with the oil filler cap facing upwards. Fill the Kojack with hydraulic fluid until it's level with the filler aperture, taking care to prevent any contamination of the fluid, and then replace the oil filler cap. Only ever use high-grade ISO 1015 hydraulic fluid or equivalent. Kojack holds about 300 millilitres of hydraulic fluid, but never use brake fluid, alcohol, glycerin, detergent, motor oil or any other fluid. It's also wise to lubricate all the Kojack pivoting points with a light oil every 3 months and clean it with an oily rag if needed. Also check the piston for signs of corrosion. When it's not in use, keep the hydraulic ram all the way down and don't totally unscrew or remove the relief valve. Store your Kojack kit upright in a dry environment and it'll give you years of faithful service.